This is the ECS Rucas 2-wheel drive RC truck. Go put that on YouTube. You take off. Bring her back, bring her back. You gotta go right under my leg. Oh!
Yeah, this little truck can take a beating.
Jordan. Ah! Jeez! You did try to do that. Yeah, I ain't gonna catch up to it yet. Spin around, guys. Do donuts.
No. This truck is not modified. There's nothing. This truck is just out of the box. I had it for about a week now. Didn't get to change tires, nothing yet.
What would you want to do?
Well, you would want to if you were, if you had lots of mud and bog and stuff. I'm probably going to change out the tires. Look at a close-up of the little tires. They're like track tires or something. This one looks like it's done.
Spin around.
See what I mean? No. Alright, let's catch up with the truck. Alright.
Beautiful day with the truck bobber.
Get down here to the truck.
And here she comes.
Shit.
No.
See what I mean? No. Probably helps time not to drive. Spin her around. Woo! This is a great little beginner truck. She can really take a beating.
Beating she can take. Let's bring her out the bog.
I think the bog's probably going to work.
So? Go a bit slow. Go a bit slow now.
Let's take this truck down to Pat now.
Pat we made.
Made it for quad, but
Made for a quad, but just
fit through it.
this is just good. Did you say her name? Hi.
Actually, let's just take her down to Pat for a minute.
Just go in here and come in.
Alright, yeah.
So we're heading in our quad, Pat. A little rough, but
Yeah, it is only a little 2x4. But, yeah. Don't judge the truck. This is me. Oh, front bumper. There we go.
let's just go down the journey. Just come on. We're gonna fly some ramps when we get down here.
If there's any.
Yeah.
Haven't been down here in a while.
Oh!
Oh, I was hoping I'd just get one tire so I independent spin engine. And like most RC trucks, great suspension. And that's it. Give it a boot.
Give it a kick up, Nars. Nars hole.
Alright, once we get past this, we should be good.
Should be. Maybe. Don't know. Floor. Oh, shit! Oh, this is perfect. This is number ice.
Alright, this is the bog.
Was the bog.
Was the bog. Summertime is the bog. You'll see our summer videos too.
Let me do something with her. Bring her back, big tree. Hey, let me try the woods. Oh shit, I thought you just jammed in. It's alright. Come on. Let me get her back, Jordan. This is my freaking second time, isn't it?
Yeah, turd.
Oh, now the tree comes out.
There we go. Back her up a bit. Oh yeah, in the alder. Don't spin her out, bye.
As you can tell, the great little truck, whatever the hell it is.
Except for, you know, a nice, which you can't, well, you shouldn't be able to expect most trucks to be good. Especially with these tires. Should get a couple of chain tires, a few chain tires for, actually I only need, yeah, 4. I'll take camera.
One last thing. Here you go, buddy. You can go fix
Yeah.
that. Sorry about that.
Oh, come on over here. We got this truck at Signal Hobby, St. John's, Newfoundland. Starting to run out on battery now.
Yeah.
This is why he needs more than one battery. But one is a great time to have.
They're not very cheap, but they're pretty good.
They're fun. It's worth it.
That little thing was $260 odd.
Oh yeah, if you ever decide to go buy this truck, when you go to the retailer, make sure, because on the box, it says everything you need, nothing else to buy in one box. Make sure you open it up too before you go far from the store. This didn't include a charger or a cable that connects to the charger. So yeah, that's something to look out for when you buy, if you decide to buy the ECX rucas. That's it for today. This truck's about to run out of charge. So this is a video by Jordan Butler and David Williams. We'll try to get more videos out.
That's Jordan.
And we'll probably have more.
That's me.
We'll probably have more videos on not just RC, maybe airsoft and quad and stuff like that. So yeah, goodbye.
Bye.